together.
Thank God, and thank you to all my
Together like
colleagues.
brothers.
Yes.
Sit down. Sit down.
God bless you.
Don't clap too loud. Clap for yourself. Okay. I just have a few questions to ask. I will be done. You've been taught. You've taught you everything I need to know. So, if I ask you a question and you know it, I don't want to do no noise. No, hey, auntie, I'm not auntie in the class. I'm auntie in my office. Once I see your hand, I can see your hand very well. I'm not using just 2 eyes. I'm using how many eyes?
National Library of Nigeria.
National Library of Nigeria. Where? We have a lot of National Library of Nigeria. In the whole, that's how many?
National Library of Nigeria.
Powerful. A round of applause for him. Hey, why do you look like a boy? So, National Library of Nigeria, Owerri. When you're answering a question, even in exam, discuss it. You want yourself to prize.
What do you say?
Please clap for us. So, answer my question. Who will tell me 2 library rules?
Do not carry anything eatable or drinkable to the library. Don't and no noise is allowed.
Yes.
Teachers or adults must switch off their phone when entering the library.
Please clap for me. That's enough. You want yourself. But what do you say to National Library?
Thank you.
Are you taking pictures?
No,
Okay.
it's video that I'm taking, it's not pictures.
At the end of the Mark, who saw a catalog cabinet? I'll take from this side. Who saw a catalog cabinet? And what is it? Uncle?
Where they keep books numbers.
Books numbers. Does someone have something extra to add?
For any book, like if you don't want to be searching everywhere, just go that place and look for that until the
Look at the
address.
card. Very, very right. The catalog is the pointer to the things you will see when you enter the library. Hey, this is very cheap.
Very cheap.
Pure water. Pure water.
Give them another one.
Cancelled. Register cancelled. What books do you find in the foreign monograph section? Be sure of what you're answering. Be sure of your answer. Be sure of your answer. Foreign monograph section. Think deeply before you answer. What books do you find there?
What type of books do you find there?
Yes, but there's a general name. There's something I want to bring out. Yes. Guinness Book of Records. Yes.